Hi patrons, a bright sunny day in Bangalore, and with me is the Pan America 2021, by far one of my most favorite motorcycles that Harley Davidson has produced. It has been a sheer delight to develop few products. We plan to do about 12 products. Today I'm going to give you an overview of 6 of them. Starting from the front. So all of us are aware that it comes with a chopped fender, and because of that the entire radiator gets a lot of mudslinging and it reduces the cooling capability. So here we have a snap fit mudslinger with adjustment to increase to move it up or down, front and back, the way you want. A very steady mount, all aluminum built. The cantilever part, this whole part is actually an aluminum part, and we are calling it the Vikings. That's the inspiration of that. Now that we are talking about mudslingers, there is a rare mudslinger as well. Again, it works very close to the wheel, cuts a lot of the slush that goes and falls on the monoshock and other parts, and really makes the bike very mucky. It again is a snap fit product, no modification required. You can move it up, down, you can move it front, back, increase the gap, reduce the gap, see the way you like it. Again, all aluminum built and pretty sturdy. The third product is a heel shifter. So most of us on a bike tend to stand on the bike, ride, and that's the reason we don't get a heel shifter in our adventure bikes. However, I do feel the need, because when I'm changing, now it becomes very easy for me to just tap down and change my gear. Okay. The other part of the heel shifter is that it's an indexable heel shifter. It comes with 3 indexing positions here, 3 slots. So basis that you can have it higher or lower. Right now what you see as a setting is a medium setting, and again is a snap fit product, no changes required, warranted to your toe shifter. The next very interesting product is, most of us who have been riding Harleys are pampered by highway foot boots, right? But however, each one of us have different leg sizes. Some people like to keep it high, low. So here we have made by far the most versatile highway footboard system. Let me explain to you some of the unique aspects of that. So here, if you see here, there are 2 mounting positions. So that will give you, if you want to mount the foot peg like this, or you are okay keeping it like this. So if you mount it in the bottom one, you will get a better even closer and it is of course foldable. The other salient part of this is that it is a completely indexable one. So the whole footboard mechanism can move right from here to this point, right? And since it's a free system, you can move it up or down to your desired position. I've set it to my liking over here. Again, a snap fit product, no changes required, and it comes with this whole foot contact part. This is all stainless steel, so even if it wears out, this is never going to rust, and it's going to give you a very good grip while you're even on some rough roads. The other product is Osmos. Let me also show you a detachable top box. We are of course launching shortly the detachable side panniers. So keep the knobs in your pocket. And that's it. So all that remains here is this plate. This is, I personally feel, it's a far more sturdy mechanism that we have developed than the plate mechanism that the OEM is doing, because that will always have weight limitations. The other problem with that system is that you will have to drill, to mount the OEM plate, you will have to drill 2 more holes, one over here and one over here. In our system, no holes have to be made in the plastic part. It mounts underneath like what you see, and this plate basically resides on your bike, and this is the box can be removed very easily. Now I'll show you how to mount it back. that's it. Once you mount it, we give you restrainer knobs. You can put these knobs back in. So the benefit of this kind of a system is that when you are pressing it down, it basically pushes the attachment plate onto the front bush, and both of them have plastic parts. So whatever you do, there is absolutely no rattling, no loosening of things. And if you are sometimes worried about somebody stealing your box off, you can remove the knob, and in the same place you can actually mount a lock. So that's one. The sixth product, again, I personally felt that on the bike, when I was applying the brake, I had to literally do this, and the position and the gap between my brake lever to the point of pivot was very less. So I had to press really hard to get good braking. So we have done the SnapFit brake extender, which gives you a slightly wider landing so you can get more ergonomics, and it gives you a slight extension of the leverage. So now when I'm riding, I just don't have to do much, and it's an anti-slip one, so your foot won't slip. So hope you guys like these 6 parts for now. What is in store? Let me give you an overview of that also. We are shortly launching the detachable side panniers and the non-detachable side panniers. We are also launching the SCR cover, which heats. On the left hand side, we are launching the heat shields. The other very interesting product that we are currently under testing is basically a speaker mount. So this bike has a tapered handlebar, and if you mount any speaker here, your visibility of the dash is gone. So we are giving you speaker mounts, which will basically provide you mounting of a speaker over here, and it basically takes off the load from this part. So no contact with any of the plastic parts, and that will be quite rugged. Hope you guys like it, love it. Keep enjoying your Pan Americas like I am. Thank you.